What?
They're in here.
So what are you doing, Emma?
Playing.
You're playing? Who are you playing with?
Cake.
Shortcake? Cool. Strawberry shortcake, yeah. And who is this? Who is this right here? Who's this little girl? Do you know? Avery.
Avery.
Yeah, that's cousin Avery. Avery, do you want to say a few words to the camera?
Yeah.
Tell me, what's your favorite thing to do?
Nothing.
Nothing. Me too. I like to do nothing. Are you having fun with your cousins? You don't get to see them very much. What are you looking for? You seem frustrated. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Is that what you were looking for?
Yeah.
What the heck is it? I think it used to be a potato, didn't it? It kind of looks like it got smashed in, though.
It goes like that.
Always?
It goes like that.
Uh-oh, she's coming. Alright, who's this?
My daddy. I'm not Mommy. Yes, I think his name Mommy. I thought my name was Mama. Yeah, his name is Mommy and Mama. You're Mama. You're Mama.
What do you have, Lily? You want to say hi to the camera?
Hi, camera.
That was very nice. Chick, chick. You're taking pictures of me, too?
Yeah.
Very good. Alright, that's it for now.